Rules for soft G. Soft G sounds J, like the letter J. And the rules for soft and hard Gs are exactly similar to the rules of soft and hard Cs. Let's look at them. Soft G sounds J only when the letter G followed by E, G followed by I, G followed by Y. GE, GI, GY makes the letter G sound soft as J. Now let's practice with some examples. Giraffe. In the word giraffe, the letter G sounds J as it is followed by the letter I. Giraffe. Gem. In the word gem, the letter G sounds J as it is followed by the letter E. Gem. Gym. In the word gym, the letter G sounds J as it is followed by the letter Y. Gym. Let's practice more. GE words. Cage, germ, danger. Now GI words. Giant, magic, giraffe,